Hi, this is ARUNACHALAM. Today let us analyze the stock Rolex Rings Limited. The stock looks good for short term after a good breakout. So we can consider going long in the stock for short term only. And for long term, just consider understanding the financials of the company before entering the stock. So this is the monthly chart. So the stock was listed around the price range of 1240 and it fell drastically till the price range of 990. So after that the stock somehow consolidated and it started moving higher. So currently the stock just gave a breakout from a range which was followed since listing, and we can consider going long in the stock for short term. So the monthly chart shows a good momentum on higher side, so it's forming a good IRI formation. So this shows the stock is bullish in the monthly chart. So now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So in the weekly chart, the stock once again looks bullish because the stock just gave a breakout and the stock is also making a new IRI formation. So we can consider going long in the stock, and look at the trend line here. So this can be considered as a good trend line, and the stock is just traveling in channel pattern. So there is a good breakout. So the stock is traveling in a channel pattern. So we can consider this as a good breakout, and look at the good volume. So there is a volume jump, but it's not a notable volume jump because the volume is quite higher than the usual volume. So we can consider going long in the stock for short term, and going long in the stock for long term is up to you. So you should understand the business of the company before entering the stock for long term. So look at the channel pattern. So there is a good breakout in the channel pattern. So we can consider going long in the stock for short term. So now let's move to the daily chart to analyze further. But before moving to the daily chart, hit subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any ideas published in our channel, and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. And in that group you can ask your doubts regarding any stock. We will be answering it as soon as possible. So let's move to the daily chart now. So this is the daily chart, and the stock is just moving higher and higher, and one can go long in the stock at current market price, or else one can also take entry above the price range of 1550. So 1550 can be taken as a safest entry in the stock, and one can use 200-day exponential moving average to ride the trend in 1 hour chart, and one can use 50-day exponential moving average to ride the trend in daily chart. So the stock looks bullish and one can expect a good rally in the stock, and the stock just gave a breakout. So taking entry at current market price is fine, or else one can also take entry above the price range of 1550, and the price range of 2000 can be taken as the most nominal target, and one can use 50-day exponential moving average to ride the trend in the daily chart. So use 50-day exponential moving average and ride the trend, and one can consider exiting the stock once the stock closes below the 50-day exponential moving average. So the stock just gave a breakout from the channel pattern, and it also gave a breakout from the sideways zone which was followed since Jan of 2022, and all these can be considered as a good positive sign for the stock, and we can consider going long in the stock for short and long term. For long term you should understand the financials of the company, and for short term the stock looks bullish. One can use 50-day exponential moving average, and one can also use EMA of 21-day moving average for more sensitive entry and exit. Use EMA of 21-day average for accurate exit and entry. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button, join us on Telegram, and finally thank you for watching our videos.